Hello and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I blurted straight out, I have decided to stop working on my own video game Azaria. Again. You've probably noticed that there hasn't been any video on this channel for almost 10 months. That's because I simply didn't have the motivation to keep going. The game became much bigger than I had initially anticipated, and along with that came new bugs, new problems to solve, but the game just wasn't fun. The entire concept was missing. Sure, it was nice to have a beautiful and expansive world to explore, and hunting animals, crafting items, planting trees and stuff like that. It was all pretty cool, and developing the systems also was fun. But I realized that the work I was putting in would never result in something that players would truly enjoy, and that was incredibly disappointing. I fell into a kind of slump where I just couldn't bring myself up to work on the game anymore. It was simply more work than fun to me. And ideally, a hobby shouldn't feel like that in the long run. On top of that, new shiny objects came along. Other things caught my interest. For example, I spent a lot of time trading cryptocurrencies. I wrote over 4,000 lines of code for a Solana trading bot, and it actually made me $2,700, but honestly, I think that was just luck. Crypto is a casino. And also it was summer, and naturally I spent more time outside with my friends and not stuck in my room, knowing that if I sat down at my PC, I'd have to work on the game again. So I decided to make a clean cut. The game in its current form won't cross the finish line. I won't be finishing it as it is now. And that's okay. Of course, I learned a lot along the way. And sure, it sucks that all the work I put in feels like it was for nothing. Classic sunk cost fallacy. But I've made peace with it. My plan now is to start programming the game again from scratch. Still, in Unity I don't want to switch to Godot, but this time I want to make it a 2D game. And I want to establish the concept beforehand. This is really important. And I'll aim to make as few deviations from the plan as possible. The game will be very small. I need to finally finish my projects, and maybe this new game will be one of them. I'd be thrilled if you continue to support me and watch my game development videos. In the meantime, while I'm preparing to start the new game, this channel will change a little. The focus will be more on tutorials. Starting now, I'll release a Unity tutorial every week. I've already pre-produced a ton of videos, so you can count on consistent uploads. The priority will be the tutorials with the occasional game development videos. I hope you'll stick around, and until the next video, take care. Let me know in the comments what Unity tutorials you'd like to see, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!